There is a secret behind the word opportunity. It seems unnecessary when it comes to us, but its significance can only be understood when it is done. Do not be afraid of criticism. The kite rises in the headwind. Don't worry about the past and fear about the future. Be careful in the present, put it. Gambling and argument cause anguish. Dream and cooperate. You have to win with your goal, which means you have to have a sense of concentration and dedication. Humans are born with a variety of strengths and abilities. Only those who expend energy quickly will have the opportunity to regain strength before anyone else. When it rains, the birds hide in their nests, but the eagle soars above the clouds far away from the rain. It is not enough if you have a goal. You have to be skilled to achieve it quickly. We know our talents when we face a crisis. Those who have good intentions make vows. It is said that only those with good personality should maintain them. What is understood should be explained, knowing must be done. Revolutions and crime originated from poverty. Hope is like a running dream. It is natural to be angry, but it wise to know when, where, and on whom to act. There is a difference between the learned and the unlearned. If you wait, the chances will come, but only virtue can last forever. The proud man who sees their country is someone who is loud. The burning candle is our cannot, never to return the past. We know the change that needs to come with society. We also know what to do for that change. We also know that is not easy to do. All must be achieved if all hands are joined. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe.